Hey listen, since this is such a short video, I'm gonna have some fun with it. Sorry if that's not to your taste.
It tastes like feet.
When you have one of these mechanical pencils, sometimes you might find yourself clicking and clicking, but no lead comes out.
Well, are you sure you're using that thing correctly?
There's not. I think so.
So maybe you're out of lead. So pull off the cap and eraser and check for lead. Obviously, if it's empty, add more lead, then click it a bunch more times until the lead comes out. It might take longer than you think, so be patient. But if that wasn't the problem, here's something else to try. I'll be using a Pentel pencil, but the process should be fairly similar to most other pencils. Start by unscrewing this cone and make sure it isn't blocked. You know how to see if it's blocked, don't you?
You just put your lips together and blow.
You can take the grip off if you want, since it'll probably fall off anyway. Then unscrew the inner cone. Cone's the right term, isn't it?
They were cones.
Okay, they're cones. Check to make sure that's not blocked either. The last thing to check is the clutch. Press down the top, then slide this sleeve back.
We weren't sleeves at this level, son.
That should expose the jaws. I put it in a vise just to make it easier to film. Open and close the jaws a couple more times to make sure there's nothing stuck there. Then put it back together again.
There's always some extra parts when I put them back together. I don't know why.
Then press the top down
Till it goes click.
a bunch of times, and hopefully the lead will start to come out. If that doesn't help, then...
Son, you're on your own.
But if it did help, please click the thumbs up and leave a comment if you want.
They don't seem to have taken my response in the spirit in which it was intended.
Yeah.